lovely creatures, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. Don't mind my bare face, it has been hectic as always. Okay, it's just a quick one. How are you all doing, by the way? My name is RosesGlam if you are new here, and on today's video I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing. Okay, I just received this package not long, although I ordered it, but I thought I should unbox it with you. It's been a while, it's been a long time. Like I told you guys, if you watch one of my videos, the link is up there, that I'm going to kind of do a kind of revamp my makeup box. It's been a long time, so I'm going to get rid of a lot of product, and it's total, I don't know, it's in a kiosk. So, and ever since then, it's going to 7 8 months I've not made up as a makeup artist. Isn't that weird? No, it's been a long time, I can't remember, and it's high time I get back to my position, I get back to my makeup, I get back to my slay. Yes, it's high time. So I bought this thing. If you see my makeup brush, you'll be asking me what is wrong with me. Is this my brushes? Unlike me. So I got this and I decided to share it with you, when I'm going to make use of them, I'm going to carry you guys along as well. So as usual, my shop for makeup product, I usually buy things. If you know me too well, I go for the best, the quality, and where I get them is from Beauty Bay. This is not a paid advice, but they are the main thing when you want to buy your beauty product. Okay, so this is where I got this one. I delivered it this morning. I wasn't around, but they dropped it by the neighbor, so they gave it to me, and I thought I should open it with you. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside. So as usual, when you open the package, it's usually like this. The outside look, normal, but inside is what I love about their packaging. You see their brand and all that is there. So let's see what I have inside. This. I don't know if it's in this particular channel or the other one they took down. Okay, I can't remember. But I have done video with this before, which I'm going to repeat, and I will show you guys how this works. This is wonders. So I got Cinema Secret. After making that video, I mean, you'll think twice. Even if you're not a makeup artist, you'll think twice of knowing what to do to your makeup brushes. Okay, I got this one and these two. Okay, this is an Natasha Beverly Hills is eyeliner, black. Like I said, when I want to go for makeup brand, I know you can still use makeup. I mean, you can still use drugstore's product to achieve your look. But as a makeup artist, when you are doing makeup to people, you should go for the best, and you should know the kind of product that you use, so that the clients will not react to the product that you are using. All right, so I go for this one. This is not the only eyeliner I got, but I have not tried them before, so see how it is. See how it is, so sleek, so lovely. So I got this. I'm going to use it. See how tiny it is. So I'm sure it's going to give you that precise, the precision that you want when you are going out to draw the line. Is going to give you exactly that, that line. Look at that. So I got this one, and the other one I got, when I saw this, I don't know how people, I don't know, I'm trying to imagine, or trying to, because I've done photography before. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish. I dropped on the, although it was during the breakout. Okay, I couldn't complete it. I was down, I was sick then, and the thing made me, I didn't complete it. Okay, they took picture of this. When I saw it on the website, I thought, whoa, this is lovely. It was long, so big, but look at what they brought to me. So let's see how it is. It's a new product that I've not tried before, and I wish to try it. Although if you know too well, it's Ofra. Okay, I've not tried any of their product before, so I decided to get this one. Let me see if it's good. I'm going to go for the different shades for different clients. So I got this one. It's like this. It's just simple as ABC. There's nothing so special about it, but I love it. So when you open it, it's mid palette. Okay, face it kind of is the name, is the deep shade. When I'm done trying this one, if it's okay, I'm going to go for the all shades, for different clients. And it's now Sahara, Dawn, and Abu Dhabi. That's the names of the shade they have here. Cool. It's like this, okay? So this is Sahara Dawn. The highlight. This is for contour. The dark one, which is Abu Dhabi, and this one, the now, is this one. Okay, this is like bronze. Okay, so I think it's going to be cool. So this, so use it to contour, and this is the highlight. See, look at that look. So I'm going to try them. I'm going to go back to my makeup because it's been a long time. My face has been naked for a long time. So I said, let me unbox it with you guys so that you can see. And when I'm going to do cleanup of my makeup box, I'm going to take you guys along like I promised. But just a quick one. I just got it. I was like, why not do it with you guys? So if you like this, please, if you like so if you like this unboxing, to give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed, consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Please bear with me. Videos are going to be coming up so soon. I have seen that even my views, everything has dropped, but I will make it up to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You know what, I will catch you up in my next upload. Don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now, and do take care. Bye.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down.